Hey everyone, it's Mandeep here with some game-changing secrets to help you nail the IELTS reading section and score that elusive 8+ band. Trust me, these hacks are like magic. Let's dive right in. First, we have the blind spot elimination trick for multiple choice questions. Here's a common mistake. Most students read the passage first and then try to match the options. But here's the secret. Read the options first, then scan the passage for wrong answers instead of right ones. Why? Because it's easier to spot incorrect info and eliminate it. For example, if a passage says, in the 19th century, the wool industry suffered due to cheaper synthetic fabrics, look at the MCQ options. Eliminate anything that's opposite, not mentioned, or false. Quickly, you'll find the correct answer without wasting time. Next up, the last sentence. Surprise for true, false, not given questions. Many students stop reading as soon as they spot a matching word. Big mistake. The real answer is often hidden in the last sentence of the paragraph. IELTS loves to trap students with half-truths at the start and the real answer at the end. Always read that last sentence. For example, if the passage says, the scientist initially believed that global warming had minimal impact. However, after further research, he concluded that it is a severe threat to marine life. Don't be fooled by the first sentence. The last sentence shows the truth. Quote. Now, let's talk about the reverse answer trick in matching headings. Instead of reading each paragraph and then checking the headings, read the headings first and go backwards from the last paragraph. Why? IELTS places tricky headings at the start, but the easiest matches are usually near the end. This trick saves you 2 to 3 minutes and simplifies matching tricky headings. For fill in the blanks, beware of the fake keyword trap. Students often look for exact words from the question in the passage. Here's the truth. IELTS never uses the same word in the passage. It's always paraphrased. Focus on finding synonyms, not exact words. For instance, if the question says the company launched I to increase sales, don't search for launched. Instead, look for synonyms like introduced. Finally, the speed reading formula for fast scanning. Don't read word by word, it wastes time. Scan using capital letters, numbers, and unique words like nouns and verbs. These words carry 80% of the meaning, while small words are useless for scanning. For example, instead of reading in 2012, Dr. Michael Roberts conducted research on climate change, focusing on its effects on Arctic ice. Just scan for 2012, Dr. Michael Roberts, climate change, Arctic ice. So, here's a quick recap of my top tips. Use blind spot elimination for MCQs. Always check the last sentence for TFNG. Start matching headings from the last paragraph. Find synonyms in fill in the blanks and scan using capital letters, numbers, and unique words. With these tricks up your sleeve, you're on your way to an 8+ band in IELTS reading. Happy studying!